What do you need to be fully well? Movement, restoration, meaning and purpose, community, good nutrition. This is our vision for holistic health, where personal well-being is not in any way disconnected from societal well-being.
This is good. This is where the learning comes in.
We have a choice to make in every moment about how we feel.
And setting up better foundations of habits and mindsets.
All these experiences are fluctuations of consciousness as sensations, images, feelings, thoughts, period.
You're here to be an active participant in your own unfolding.
How can we fix the root causes and optimize your health?
In the path of yoga, there's 8 limbs in which we work with that ultimately lead us towards our awakening.
Moving with your breath, listening to your heart.
Then you would bring a gentle touch between your thumb and your index finger.
Exhale completely.
Notice whatever you may notice.
Our capacity for empathy can overcome almost any barrier.
This is going to be a big day in your life.
While it's easy to get paralyzed by the enormity of the problems around us, we are active participants in the human condition. We can work on ourselves and then bring our best selves into the communities around us.